Okay, now let's look at the definition of a polynomial. A polynomial is a monomial, or is a finite sum of monomials. So if I have only one monomial, we can also say this is a polynomial. Or if I have a sum of several monomials. Let's add by another one. Let's say CD square. This is a polynomial. Now, binomial is a special polynomial. The reason is a binomial is a polynomial with exactly two terms. So it's a sum or difference of two monomials, like x minus 8. This is binomial, or 5x squared plus 2x. This is also a binomial. Now, a trinomial is a polynomial with exactly three terms. So x squared plus x minus 8. This is a trinomial. R to the power of 3 plus 3r minus 3. This is also a trinomial. Okay. Now, next, I want to talk about how to add or subtract polynomials. So when you add or subtract polynomials, actually what you're doing is to combine the like terms. So the first step is, you see here we have two polynomials. The first one is 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. And this polynomial is added by 7x squared minus 6x plus 2. So the first step is we want to remove the parentheses. And then we search for the like terms and combine the like terms. So when you do this, you can use a different color or use a different shape to identify the like terms. So 4x squared, the like term is a 7x squared, and the 5x, the like term is negative 6x, and 1 and 2, they are like terms. So next, I write the like terms next to each other, and I began to combine them. So 4x squared plus 7x squared, so this is like 4 plus 7, you have 11 and times x squared. And 5x minus 6x, so you just think about 5 minus 6 equals what? So equals negative 1, and times x. And 1 plus 2, that's 3. So the answer is 11x squared minus x plus 3. The only difference when you subtract polynomial is when you remove the parentheses, especially when you remove the second parenthesis, remember to change the sign of each term in the polynomial, because you have a minus sign in front of the parenthesis. So therefore, the positive 3x squared becomes minus 3x squared, and positive 7x becomes minus 7x, and minus 1 becomes positive 1. And the rest of the work is going to be the same. So we combine the like terms. So we have 7x squared minus 3x squared. I have 4x squared minus 2x minus 7x, so this is minus 9x, and minus 4 plus 1, this is minus 3.